Okay, this is quick, easy and tasty. I've got 4 hard-boiled eggs there. I've got half a cup of mayonnaise, half a cup of cheddar cheese, and then a couple of tablespoons each maybe. You can adjust that anyway. I've got some green onions, bell peppers, tomato, fresh dill. You can change that as well if you want. I mean, I like the dill in it, but maybe coriander or parsley, cucumber, tiny amount of salt and pepper. Let's go. So I've got a mixing bowl there. You can see I've cut my eggs. I mean, they're fairly chunky how I've done it. I mean, you can do it a different way if you want. Simply, let's get in those bell peppers, the cucumber, all cut nice and small as you can see. The tomato, the fresh dill, lovely stuff that is. That's actually from my mate's garden. Now, a bit of green onion. You can put raw onion in if you want. Tiny amount of salt and pepper. We're going to put that cheddar cheese in, about half a cup. And like I say, really sort of play around with the amounts that of whatever you're going to put in. And then, I don't like it swimming in mayo, just like a bit of a glaze, if you know what I mean. Think about other stuff. You can get some, get some nuts in here if you want to, get some sweet corn in. All we've got to do now is give it a mix, and we've done it. Right, that's it. That's great in sandwiches. That's great as a salad, on a bed of lettuce or something. Super duper. Lots of love.